Did you know that missing a single detail in your divorce paperwork can lead to costly delays and legal headaches? Let's uncover the common mistakes people make and the potential consequences of leaving out crucial information. Imagine finalizing your divorce only to discover you've forgotten to include your retirement account division. This oversight could mean returning to court, incurring additional expenses, and prolonging the emotional toll. First, identify what's missing using the court's rejection notice. Common omissions include financial disclosures and key settlement terms. Correct these errors promptly to avoid further complications. If your divorce isn't finalized, you can amend your petition or judgment. For major omissions like spousal support, filing a stipulation in order is crucial to ensure all details are covered. Double-check all required forms and ensure they're complete. A comprehensive marital settlement agreement is vital. Consider a professional review to avoid costly mistakes and ensure everything is in order. Remember, fixing mistakes post-finalization can be expensive and time-consuming. By being thorough now, you save yourself from potential legal battles and financial strain later. Divorce 661 offers expert services to review and file your paperwork, ensuring everything is correct. With flat fee pricing and remote services, you can handle your divorce paperwork from the comfort of your home. Get a free consultation at divorce661.com to ensure your divorce is finalized smoothly. By choosing us, you avoid delays and ensure your paperwork is handled professionally. Let's make this process as seamless as possible.